Nifty Gateway tutorial for beginners. So this is a simple and easy guide for Nifty Gateway tutorial for beginners. So first, you just have to simply go to nifty.com or Nifty Gateway Studio, and you can browse to see more information about this platform. Or you can just basically go and then tap sign up if you don't have an account yet. You can sign up using your MetaMask or you can sign up using your email. So since I don't have MetaMask, then I have to sign up using my email. I just have to add my email address here, first name, password, and then sign up. So we have now our account. So this is Nifty dashboard. You can scroll down here to see more information about this platform. By the way, for those who don't know about a Nifty or Nifty Gateway, Nifty Gateway is a digital art platform that allows users to buy, sell, and display non-fungible tokens. That is what we call NFTs. So it primarily focuses on digital art and collectibles from renowned artists, creators, and brands. So you will see here curated NFT drops, fiat payment support, secondary marketplace, Nifty Gateway wallet, art display, and collection management. Now, if you want to go to Marketplace and look for some samples, you can just basically tap Marketplace, and these are the samples on NFTs. So you just have to simply click to see more information about this NFT. You can also scroll up, and if you tap this NFT right here, then in this section, this one refers to the area of the platform where users can explore, buy, and send non-fungible tokens. Let's just say if you want to know more information about that. So like what I mentioned earlier, you just have to tap any of this image right here. So for example, this one. So if you tap this, I mean, if you take a look at this picture specifically, you will see the information such as the owner's wallet address. So transfer history, you can also see here artist information such as the artist profile, information about the artist who created the NFT, including their name, profile, past NFT collections, and reputation. Edition or series information, you can also see here contract and blockchain information such as smart contract address and token ID. You will see here sale and pricing information like the current price if the NFT is listed for sale on the secondary market. This section will show its current asking price. Also, you will see the past sale prices. NFT properties and traits, if applicable. You will see here attributes. If the picture NFT is part of a collection, it may have specific attributes or traits such as background color, style, or other unique elements. So basically, you can see it if you tap a specific image right here. For example, this one. So you will see here the wallet address, okay, the information, the owner's profile, published, collection, type, release, original listing. So in summary, so inside your Nifty Gateway wallet, a picture NFT includes not just the digital artwork, but also important details such as the ownership, artist profile, edition size, token ID, and blockchain information that verifies the uniqueness and authenticity of the NFT. For example, this one. Now, if you scroll down below here, you will see the metadata like the properties and attributes, specific attributes that define the uniqueness of the NFT, the file information. You will see here transfer and transaction options. You will see your transfer option, ability to transfer the NFT to another wallet or user if you choose to move it outside of the Nifty Gateway platform. You will see here withdraw to external wallet information, community and social features such as followers, comments, and engagement. And aside from that, you can see here royalties and fees. So you will see here artist royalties, information on whether the artist receives royalties on secondary sales. So this is usually part of the smart contract and a common feature in NFT marketplaces. You can see here platform fees, details about any transaction fees associated with buying or selling the NFT on Nifty Gateway. Now I'm going to show you an expensive NFT image right here. Maybe you ask, why is it expensive? So NFT art and Nifty Gateway can be expensive for several reasons. So it could be many of which are tied to the nature of the platform, the artists involved, the broader dynamics of the NFT market. So could be the high profile artists and collaboration, limited editions and scarcity, cultural collectible value, artist royalties and long term value, prestige and status, platform credibility and security. And that's the reason why you can see some of the NFT digital image right here are indeed very expensive. You can see it in the rankings also. Now, if you tap this, basically your profile here in Nifty Gateway Studio. So you can just simply add information like your username, display name, profile picture, often an NFT itself, like a board ape, yacht club, or CryptoPunk avatar. You can also add here bio description. In the dashboard section, okay, so the Nifty Gateway profile dashboard is a user-friendly interface where you can manage your NFTs, track your activity, and engage with the Nifty Gateway marketplace. Here they can see, or you can simply add your profile. They can see profile overview, wallet and balance. You can see here, you can add your collection, owned NFTs, filters and sorting, detailed view. Also, your activity and transaction, purchase history, sales history, bids and offers, claim rewards, marketplace listings, profile listings, drops, and upcoming events. You can also see here your or the creator features and social community interactions. Here you can see offers received, offers made, okay? But so far I haven't made any transaction. Also in your profile, you can add more information about yourself here. For payment methods, you will see here your balances, guided cards if you want to add. If you want to connect wallet, just go to external wallets, seller settings. So this is where you authorize your seller account via Stripe. Notifications if you want to receive any alerts. And basically that's it. So in short, if you want to simply start with Nifty Gateway, so first you need to create an account, visit Nifty Gateway, sign up, verify your email, set up payment methods like credit card, cryptocurrency, deposit funds, explore NFT drops. So head to the drop section on the site to see upcoming and past NFT releases, set notifications. Buy NFTs. Once you found an NFT you like, you can proceed to purchase. You can do on fixed price, auction, secondary marketplace. You can view and manage your collection. You can sell or list NFTs and then engage with the community or create your own NFTs for artists. So basically, that's it. Tips for success: start small, follow artists and creators, use auctions strategically. So, in this way, or by following the steps, you can dive into the world of NFTs on Nifty Gateway as either a collector or a creator. So, I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.